Hi, I'm Dr. Bauer with RunLab in Austin, Texas. I'm a physical therapist here, and today we're going to show you how to form roll your calves. So, you have two main calf muscles. One is the big calf muscle at the top here called your gastroc, or gastrocnemius, and the lower muscle here is your soleus. So you want to make sure that we're foam rolling both the top part of the muscle and a little bit lower down towards the Achilles here. Both the gastroc and the soleus attach at that Achilles tendon. So when we're setting it up, we're going to position ourselves so that the calf is resting on the foam roller. We're going to lift ourselves up off the ground just to give a little bit of pressure with gravity on that calf. And we're going to rock back and forth. Now you can rotate a little bit to the side to kind of bias each one of the heads of that gastrocnemius. And then you can work down a little bit lower into that soleus. Now, you're not getting enough pressure just from that. You can cross your other leg over, and that will make it a lot more intense.